Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to talk about my plans of the 2021 because I think I haven't made any such video talking about my planning, about my own online entrepreneur journey, talking about the various aspects of my online businesses and what's my future planning and how I'm going to go about it. And also I'm going to talk about a little bit about my YouTube future, like what I'm planning for my YouTube videos and all that. So I'm going to talk about all those things in this video guys. So if you're interested then let's get started with that. And don't forget to hit the like button. I would really appreciate that. Now let's get started. Now guys, if you have been following my channel for a while, you will know that I started with my first online magazine, my first online business back in March 2020. And from then I'm making the magazine like every 4 months. I just I just publish a new issue in every 4 months. Like in the beginning, like till 6 to 7 months, I was getting sales for my magazine when I was having new issue launch or new magazine cover launch, or when I'm having some sales or offers on my magazine like 50%, 60% off, then only I was getting sales. And in those months when I wasn't launching any new magazine, I wasn't having any offer or sale, I wasn't getting sales. That was the reality, because when I was started with my first online business, I started from scratch guys, completely from zero followers, no email subscribers, no one is actually purchasing for my magazine and all that, no one was there. And I didn't take the advantage of the big marketplaces like the Amazon or the Etsy or anything like that. I started from scratch from my own website and all that. So now from December, I see that I'm getting monthly sales. Like even though in the January, I wasn't having any offer, I didn't even launch any magazine in the January, but I was getting sales in the January. So I see that I'm getting pretty much consistent sales from 3 to 4 months back for my magazine. Each month I'm getting sales for my magazine, which is pretty awesome. Because when I was getting started with the magazine, I was just having the goal of like starting with my magazine, getting few sales here and there. But then when I see that I'm getting those here sales and I'm getting good customer reviews, and then I set the goal to get each month new sales, even me without launching any single magazine, without going for any offer or sales, anything, just getting the sales each month on a consistent basis. That was my goal, and I reached to that goal. And now my goal is to scale my business, is to level up my business, because if I combine all my online businesses, I've reached to 5-figure in revenue. And if I just look at my magazine revenue, just solely on the magazine, one aspect of my business, then I have reached to 4-figure in revenue. So my main goal is to now think of reaching to the 6-figure in revenue and all that. So guys, I'm not gonna talk on this YouTube channel just about the print on demand or the KDP or the Creative Fabrica or the art selling websites on all that. No guys, I'm gonna go a little bit more in depth, talking about how to get started with your online business, like your own business, starting with a Shopify or Wix website or WordPress, whatever the website you're starting with that. Whatever is your business model is, whether selling your physical product, digital product, services, or whatever it is. So I'm going to talk about those things because I see that I'm getting more experience in starting with my own online business, getting my own customers from my own email list, and how I'm converting my followers, my subscribers into customers and into email subscribers, and that email subscribers end up in actually purchasing my magazine, and then I'm getting a good feedback and reviews for that magazine. So my main focus is like talking more about how to get started with the online business, because I see that print on demand is really awesome. I love that. I love the print on demand, but so far I have learned with my own Redbubble journey that I don't have any control. Like if any other platform out there decided to shut my shop and decided to shut my designs or my work from their website, they can do that. Like I don't have any control over it. I really don't have any control over it. So why to rely so much on the things on which we don't have any control? So that was the thing that I was thinking a pretty while, that you guys are enjoying my videos talking about the online entrepreneurship, the real stuff, behind the scenes stuff of me actually showing you what is the reality of building an online business. And you guys are actually enjoying those videos, and I see that I'm getting a good watch time of those videos, and you people are watching that videos for 4 to 5 minutes and even sometimes 7 minutes of that video, which is really awesome guys. And I'm really grateful for that you guys are really interested in knowing my online entrepreneur journey, behind the scenes stuff, the real stuff, the real things and all that. And I see that I'm getting good feedback for those kind of videos. And also guys, in one video I talk about starting with my own business from $0. Like that video was also having the good watch time, although not many people watch that video because I mostly talk about the print on demand and people come onto my channel to watch the print on demand stuff. But that video was really having a good watch time, so that indicates that the people who are watching my daily videos are watching those videos more, in which I'm sharing the real stuff of my own personal business, in which I'm sharing my own online stuff, my own online entrepreneur journey. So so this channel will going to give it a new shape. I will continue to talk about the print on demand. I will going to continue to talk about the Teepublic, Redbubble, Jazzle, and all those print on demand websites. I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about the Creative Fabrica as well. I'm going to talk about the KDP low and no content book and also the high content book. But now I'm also going to talk more about the online entrepreneurship and starting with your own business. Like if you want to get started with your own online art business on your own website, how to get started with that, how to get the customers from the Instagram. Because in the beginning when I was new to this online space, I started with the first platform, that was the Instagram, and Instagram till now update is the #1 platform for me to get more sales, for the more marketing. Now of course my YouTube channel is getting more traction and I'm getting sales from the YouTube channel as well, and you people are like also downloading my freebies as well, so I can see that YouTube is also a way to market and sales for that. But I see for me Instagram works really awesome. Like in the beginning many sales I got from the Instagram only, so I see that Instagram is a main platform for me right now with the marketing and the promotion, all that. In the future it might turn to be YouTube, because YouTube is kind of like a platform. In the beginning you don't get that much of views and all that, but if you're consistent enough and you're making the videos regularly, then you'll be getting more people watching your videos, subscribing to your channel, and thereby converting and all that stuff. So I'm going to talk more about the online business, although I'm going to talk about the Teepublic, because I see that when I got my first sale, I already made a video talking about the Teepublic, and when I got my first sale, I was getting the sales like in between the months. Like in few months I was getting more sales and few months I was getting zero sales. But from the December, I'm seeing that I'm getting consistent sales for my Teepublic, like without me putting so much effort into it, without me doing so much into it, I'm getting consistent sales. Like January was a slow month. Everyone was having no sales for the January. Like I was getting a few of the comments, people saying that January they are not getting any sales, but I was getting sales for my Teepublic shop, and that was pretty awesome. So I'm going to talk about the print on demand as well, the Creative Fabrica as well, because I see that Creative Fabrica is opening a new avenues, and it's a new platform and it's a new opportunity for many of the designers and artists. I'm also going to talk about the KDP, because the Amazon is one of the biggest marketplace and it's an amazing opportunity. So if you're new beginner, if you're completely a beginner in the online space, then considering going for the marketplaces like the Amazon is a good opportunity, especially when you're starting from free. Like the KDP, you don't need to invest anything into it other than your time. You're not paying money or anything like that. And like in the Amazon FBA, you need to pay to open up a shop onto the Amazon and all that. But in the KDP, nothing is like that. And you don't need to hold any inventory or anything like that. It's just all about the passive income. So I'm going to talk more about these things. But apart from that, I'm going to talk more about the online entrepreneurship, how to get started with your online business. Also talk about the digital product based business, because when I uploaded a YouTube short talking about the top 3 digital product ideas, I see that many people are actually enjoying that video. That means that people are actually interested in knowing on how to start with a digital product based business, because no inventory, nothing physical, like nothing delivery, nothing something like that. It's just all passive. You just need to make it, like you just need to make it in the one shot, and then you just need to upload that stuff. And when someone is actually purchasing, repurchasing, and then they're gonna give you feedback and review, you actually don't need to do anything apart from just making your product in the first place. So that is the beauty of the digital product. So guys, in 2021, I'm gonna focus on my main business, that is the online magazine, that is the online art magazine. Apart from that, I started with the 3 new businesses as well. Like one was the stationery business, then the art printable business, and then the new art TV, that the art tutorials business. So I'm starting with the new businesses as well, and then soon in March I'm gonna start with another new business and all that. But guys, my main focus currently right now is to focus on my own main business, in which I can control it fully, in which I I am bringing my own customer. I'm not depending on those marketplaces out there. So I'm going to talk more about the online businesses, online entrepreneurship, and of course I love print on demand, because right now I'm not doing much of the print on demand. I'm not uploading daily designs or daily artwork on the print on demand, but I'm still getting sales. So I'm going to talk more about the print on demand as well, the KDP, the creative fabric, talking about the online business, how to get started with that. So there would be so many stuffs for you guys coming in this 2021 on this YouTube channel, and also I'm focusing on the main aspect of my business. So I'm going to bring you guys each day new excitement via this YouTube channel. I'm going to bring new videos for you guys to get started with your own online business, whether it's print on demand, whether it's the KDP, the creative fabrica, or you're starting with your own business in general, or an Etsy, or whatever it is. I'm going to talk about more stuff in this video, guys. So if you haven't subscribed till yet to my channel, consider subscribing it and hit the bell icon, guys, so that whenever I upload new exciting videos each day, you'll be get notified about it, because I'm going to talk more about the real stuffs, because I see that people are actually enjoying it. And also I'm going to talk about the online business, how to get started with the digital product business, because my business is mainly focusing on the digital products right now, although I'm going to start with the physical product soon, but right now it's only the digital product. So I'm going to talk more about things, because I see that people are interested in knowing more about how to get started with their online business, especially after the Redbubble suspension and all that, and people actually realizing that Redbubble has suspended their account on that day, and some of them didn't get it back. So they are thinking that what is the other avenues of income, like how they can make money online by the other streams. So they are more interested in knowing about how to get started with the online digital magazine, or maybe online business in general. So my channel would be talking more about things, guys. I think I never talk about what would be my future of my YouTube channel and all that, but this is the video where I'm talking about my future. I'm sharing my views, I'm sharing my thoughts with you guys and my plan of 2021, so that you kind of get an idea what you can expect from me in 2021 on my YouTube channel, or by the various content via my magazine blogs, and also about my podcast and all those. So that's it for today's video, guys. Let me know what is your planning for your 2021. Are you only focusing on the print on demand, or you will be gonna focus on the other aspect as well? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye.